Uncle Carla getting in the fridge. Wanker. I can see your buttocks.
I have to sort of get in.
Oh, I keep forgetting. She banged her head. You want to see?
Oh, that's it. That's it.
That's the one.
You get your legs in as I can. Feel that, Abby. Darling,
That's the one, Carla.
Put your head in.
I hope she does. Then she'll be my fridge sister.
Hang on, can they come out? Yes, they can.
Oh, Carla, you're in the fridge, man.
That's true. Take the top one out near her head.
Oh.
I don't know if these do though, do they? No, these don't come out. Oh, Carl, you can
Just, no, Carla, I know what to do. Get in, stay.
Oh my God, that bitch.
Stop. You're hurting her.
Is that it?
Oh, that's pretty much what you do. Oh, I'll try getting it.
That was good.
You try getting it, Abby.
You can.
No, Abby's getting there. She's thin.
Okay.
I'm thin. Abby's
Anorexic Abby.
Abby's anorexic. She can go in there. Oh,
Patty's in the fridge.
come on, Porky.
Patty's in the fridge. Patty's an Arab.
Porky, finish off Piggy's work.
Fatty could have sit in the fridge because Fat's too
You
fat.
fat fucking bitch.
You can't join in there.
You know I can't call you fat. You twat. You call me Piggy.
Like a sponge. No, Fatty will eat that.
Well, the fridge was quite cool to get into.